Product quality and safety.
Introduction.
Product quality and safety are crucial aspects of ethical operations management in a factory.
Ensuring that products meet quality standards and are safe for consumers is not only a legal requirement but also an ethical responsibility.
1. Strict quality control measures.
Ethical operations management involves implementing robust quality control processes throughout the manufacturing process. This includes conducting inspections, tests, and checks at various stages to identify and address any potential defects or issues. Quality control helps ensure that products meet the desired specifications, perform as intended, and meet customer expectations. 2. Compliance to regulatory requirements. Factories must comply with relevant laws and regulations pertaining to product quality and safety. Ethical operations management entails understanding and following these requirements, which may include industry-specific standards, safety regulations, and labeling guidelines. By adhering to these regulations, factories prioritize consumer safety and demonstrate a commitment to legal compliance. 3. Accurate and transparent product labeling and information. Accurate and complete product information to consumers. This includes clear and informative labels, instructions, and warnings. Honest and transparent product labeling helps consumers make informed decisions, understand product attributes, and minimize potential risks associated with product usage.
Ethical safety practices. In operational management within a factory involve prioritizing the well-being and safety of employees, customers, and other stakeholders. 1. Employee safety. Ethical operation management entails ensuring a safe working environment for employees. This includes implementing and enforcing safety protocols, providing proper training on equipment handling and emergency procedures, and regularly inspecting and maintaining machinery and facilities. Workers should have access to personal protective equipment, PPE, and be encouraged to report any safety concerns or incidents. 2. Hazard identification and risk assessment. Ethical safety practices involve conducting thorough hazard identification and risk assessments within the factory. This includes identifying potential hazards, assessing the associated risks, and implementing appropriate control measures to mitigate or eliminate them. Regular safety audits and inspections should be conducted to ensure ongoing compliance with safety standards. 3. Safety culture and employee engagement.
Ethical operation management emphasizes fostering a strong safety culture within the factory. This involves actively promoting employee engagement in safety initiatives, encouraging open communication about safety concerns, and involving employees in the development and implementation of safety policies and procedures. Workers should feel empowered to report hazards, near misses, or accidents without fear of reprisal.
4. Compliance with safety regulations. Factories have an ethical responsibility to comply with local and national safety regulations. Ethical operation management involves staying up to date with applicable safety laws, codes, and standards and implementing necessary measures to meet or exceed them. Regular safety training and awareness programs should be conducted to ensure all employees are aware of their rights and responsibilities. 5. Emergency preparedness and response. Ethical safety practices include establishing comprehensive emergency preparedness and response plans. This involves conducting drills, training employees on emergency procedures, and maintaining emergency equipment and evacuation routes. Clear communication channels should be established to quickly disseminate safety-related information during emergencies. 6. Continuous improvement. Ethical operation management involves continually improving safety practices and performance within the factory. Feedback from employees and stakeholders should be actively sought and used to drive continuous improvement efforts. This includes analyzing safety data, conducting incident investigations, and implementing corrective actions to prevent future accidents or injuries. 7. Supplier and contractor safety. Ethical operation management extends to the safety practices of suppliers and contractors. Factories should ensure that their suppliers and contractors also prioritize safety and adhere to appropriate safety standards. Safety requirements and expectations should be communicated clearly, and regular audits or evaluations should be conducted to verify compliance. 1. Reducing carbon emissions. Ethical factories strive to reduce their carbon footprint by implementing measures to minimize greenhouse gas emissions. This may involve adopting energy-efficient technologies, optimizing production processes to reduce energy consumption, and exploring renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power. Factories can promote sustainable transportation practices to reduce emissions from logistics and commuting. 2. Conserving resources. Ethical factories aim to conserve natural resources by implementing strategies that minimize resource consumption. This includes optimizing water usage, minimizing raw material waste, and promoting recycling and reuse practices. By conserving resources, factories reduce their environmental impact and contribute to long-term sustainability. 3. Promoting energy efficiency. This involves conducting energy audits, investing in energy-efficient equipment, implementing smart energy management systems, and educating employees on energy-saving practices. By reducing energy consumption, factories not only reduce their environmental impact but also improve cost efficiency. 4. Responsible waste management. Ethical factories manage waste responsibly by implementing effective waste management practices. This includes segregating and recycling waste materials, reducing packaging waste, and properly disposing of hazardous materials. Factories can also explore innovative solutions, such as implementing closed-loop systems that minimize waste generation and promote a circular economy. 5. Adoption of eco-friendly practices. Ethical factories actively seek out and adopt environmentally friendly practices throughout their operations. This may include using eco-friendly materials, implementing sustainable production techniques, and promoting eco-design principles. Additionally, factories can prioritize environmentally friendly packaging and explore alternatives to harmful chemicals or substances. 6. Responsible sourcing and supply chain. This includes segregating and recycling waste materials, reducing packaging waste, and properly disposing of hazardous materials. Factories can also explore innovative solutions, such as implementing closed-loop systems that minimize waste generation and promote a circular economy approach. 7. Integration into production processes. Environmental sustainability should be integrated into the core production processes of ethical factories. This means considering the environmental impact at every stage, from product design and development to manufacturing, distribution, and end-of-life disposal. By considering sustainability throughout the entire production cycle, factories can minimize environmental harm and promote a more sustainable approach. By prioritizing environmental sustainability, ethical factories not only reduce their ecological footprint but also contribute to the preservation of natural resources, mitigate climate change, and set an example for sustainable business practices. Such factories not only benefit the environment but also enhance their reputation, attract environmentally conscious customers, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Bye-bye.